Hi, my name is Maithy. I'm a student at the University of San Diego, and I will be a future teacher. Today, I want to talk to you about an app called Zooniverse. So the way that we're going to get there is to go type in zooniverse.org. And this will take you to the home page. And if you scroll down, it shows you the featured product. So right now, the featured product is Project Plumage, where you can explore bird color with museum specimens. So if you'd like, you can click View Project. And if we scroll down, we see that 2 people are talking about the project right now, and you can join in. Or if you go down, you can see some statistics. 1,161 volunteers created this, 26,918 classifications, 65,234 subjects, and 2,700 completed subjects. You can see the about, and then words from the researcher, and then I'll show you a little glimpse into the project. But if we scroll right back up, you're going to see in the top left corner projects. And we're going to click on that, and it'll take you to where you can see the disciplines. So you have arts, biology, language, medicine, nature, social studies, space, and you can click on whichever one you would like. You can also organize it by the most active, most popular, most recently updated. Now, for me, I'm an English teacher, so I'm going to go ahead and click on literature and click on Scribes of the Cairo Geniza if I'm maybe studying history or Egypt, Shakespeare's World, Operation War Diary, Science Gossip, Measuring the Anzacs. Now, maybe my students have just learned about ancient Egypt in their social sciences class and want to look at some literature. I'm going to click on Scribes of the Cairo. And again, you can see some statistics. 4 people are talking about it right now. We're going to go ahead and click Get Started. And a tutorial will pop up right away, and you can click through that. Shows you an example of Hebrew script, Arabic script, formal, informal, and then some of the key features. And you can scroll through that, and once you're done, you can go ahead and click Let's Go. So for the first for the first questions, in what script is this text written? Hebrew, Arabic, both. Too hard, show me another image, and the other options. Now what's cool about this is you can zoom in on either side, or you can use arrow to move it around. You can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can rotate it, or if you want to reset it, you can reset it. Now, if you're not quite sure what language this is, you can hit Need Some Help. And it shows you examples of Hebrew and Arabic. So looking at this, I think it might be Hebrew. So we can click that and then next. And then And then for this next one, is it formal or informal? Again, if you need help, it shows you examples. And zooming in again, I think that this is formal. And then for this one, you have to find features in the text. So either diagonal or perpendicular text, horizontal line above a word, or the use of a colon. I think I'm going to try to find a colon in here, if I can. I think there's one right there. Click on that, and we're going to hit done. And you can continue to go through this, or if you'd like, you can hit talk, where you can see all these different message boards like FAQs, questions for the research team, news, help and technical issues. It even has some popular tags. Now you can also hit collect, and that shows you the collections within Scribes of the Cairo Geniza. So these are samples of all the text that you're looking at when you go through the application. And you can even go to their blog if you'd like. And once you're done with this project, you can go ahead and go back there and choose another project to do. Now, a teacher may want to use this application as an extra source to be included in a unit. So, like my example is if students were studying Egypt and we wanted to look more deeper into the text, then we can use the app that I just did for some supplement. I think that a downside to this app is that a lot of these don't necessarily require higher level thinking, but it can make that real world connection for students because it allows them to see how these practices are actually someone's job in the real world, because all these collections were put together by volunteers. Well, but that is all I have for you today, so thank you for listening.